Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today I have for you what I'm calling a crafty quick tip. As you can see in the title, this is how to remove dust from an acrylic painting. As you can see, hopefully you can see, like right there, there's where some of the dust came off of my painting. This is one of my paintings that has been sitting in the basement for a while, and I never covered it, which is a bad idea. So now it's covered in dust. One of the ways that I have found to remove dust is with a paintbrush, preferably a soft one. This one is like old and bent, but it's really soft. And then I have one that's soft but just a little bit more stiff. So I'm just going to show you. You can kind of just kind of brush it off. I don't know if you can see it coming off on the camera. Not yet, you can. So this one is the more stiff brush, which seems to work a little bit better. It's a little more pressure on there. I'm not going to do the whole thing because this probably has multiple layers of dust on here. It's been, I think I did this like 3 years ago. It's been sitting in there. So yeah, basically you can just dust it off. This is a soft one. It might not work. Well, it still works just as good. But if you're worried about, you know, any harsh bristles, so just find one as soft as you can, especially if you don't have a lot of dust. A softer one, I'm sure, would be fine. But this one might take a few tries. Like I said, it's got quite a bit on it. But as you can see, it is removing the dust. There are other ways, but this is the easiest way for me. So I figured I would show you guys really quick. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this tip. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like my videos. Check out all my social media links below, and I will talk to you guys soon.